me show you now how you can load attendance to Garnet that is collected in an untraditional way. Say, for example, they had a meeting and you ended up not using the attendance URL or the access code or the scanning app or any of these methods, and you ended up having an Excel file with maybe the first and last name of the attendees and their emails. Now, how would you load this into Garnet? Well, go into the Excel file and create a new blank workbook on Excel. And then copy only the emails of the attendees. Only the emails will do. No first names or last names, no titles, nothing. Now, once you're in that new workbook, click on the file and save as. And save it, I will save it in my desktop as a CSV, delimited file. Any other file will give you an error, but a CSV file. So you have to have a CSV file. I will call it GG trial and save it. And that's what you're going to load into Garnet. Now, if you had USC IDs and not emails, we could work around it, but you're not going to be able to load them into Garnet. Now, once you're on Garnet, click on Track Attendance. And then you need to add the attendance record. So click on the Add Attendance button. And then you'll go to File Upload. And then your file type is going to be default, very generic, basically CSV file with email addresses. The card ID number is not something you can work with. So choose the file. From my desktop, it's my GG trial, and open it. You want to mark them as attended because I've already loaded some attended. Let me load them as absent to distinguish them and click upload. Now, if you notice in some of my trials, when I uploaded an Excel file, it gave me a file error. So if I go back to add attendance, let me see, did I really add those absent people? Back to track attendance. Yeah, 4 people are absent, and those are the 4 people that were in my CSV file. Now, one more thing to note here is that as you're collecting data, note that 2 individuals may have 2 different email addresses. For me, I have a graduate student email address and my actual USC student email address. I will be an unrecognized user if you try to put in the system my grad email. So if you choose to collect student emails, make sure that they are their USC emails, especially if they're graduate students, because otherwise we will not be able to recognize them in the system to have any of their information. And that's it. That's all you need to do.